All of you will be fine. In this video I'm gonna show you about the Redmi Note 11S with Xiaomi G95 SoC launched in India details. In this video I will tell you about the specification of this splendid phone. First of all, we will go on Google and search the famous website which name is gadgets360.com. In this website, all of you can search about mobiles, telecom, how to gaming, entertainment, crypto, audio, TV, PC, laptops, apps, tablet, science, whatever you want to search, or you can search easily here. Now I'm gonna show you Redmi Note, which I have tell you later. Now we click on this post. Yeah. After clicking, the features and pictures of this phone details has come on in front of us. Now, yeah, uh, a beautiful pictures and size, colors, the gorgeous phone. Here is the highlights which I'm going to read in front of you. Redmi Note 11 SE has launched in India today. The handset sports a 6.43 inches AMOLED display with 180 1080, which I can say easily, multiply 2400 pixels resolution that supports DCI P3 color gamut. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G95 SoC coupled with Mali G76 MC4 G4PU. It features 6 GB of LPDDR R4X RAM and 64 GB of UFS 2.2 built storage. The handheld will go on sale in India via company online stores and Flipkart, which is a very famous website in India, on August 2031. It will be available in Force Blue, Cosmic White, Space Black, and Thunder Purple color option. It's up to you which colors you like. You can buy on that color. Now Redmi Note S11 SE price in India available. Now all of you can buy this gorgeous phone at price which is about around about 13 and 14.99 for the sole variant with 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. This handset will go on sale in the country on August 31. According to the company website, it will be available via Flipkart and companies online, which I have told you in front of you. Now it's up to you. You can buy this product. It is a very good product according to my opinion. I hope you will enjoy it from this video. Subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.